What's up guys, Griiip and Riiip here, welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Griiip and Riiip, as I just said. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Quick notice beforehand, about two things actually. First of all, today's video contains a lot of road rage. About a third of it could have been avoided if I had conducted my business better, had read situations better, and had been just a better rider. The other 2/3, you know, completely their fault, whatever. Just so I'll let you guys know that I am trying to improve, because after watching a few crash compilations, I don't really want to end up like that. So I'm going to be doing my best to improve. Second thing is that on Tuesday the 20th of November I am going to be going to the UK's biggest motorcycle festival slash I don't know what it's called. It's a fest. I'll call it a festival in the NEC in Birmingham, Motorcycle Live. If any of you guys are going to be there, I'll see you there. If you're not, well then you can look forward to the video that I'm going to be making of the whole experience, showcasing some new bikes that are coming out, and of course the classic ones that everyone knows and loves. So you guys can enjoy that. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Peace. Oh come on bro. You see, literally 2 minutes after me saying I'm trying to improve, normally I would have been ning 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 ning, rev bombing the crap out of that. No, I'm trying to stay calm. I applied a touch of back brake. All is well, no one died. Everything is A-okay. It just depends how much someone annoys me with what they do, whether I lose it. But I will try not to lose it as much as possible. Unfortunately, the rest of today's video was all filmed previous to me changing my ways, so enjoy some road rage, guys. Hopefully it'll be the last for a while, or it will be the most dramatic for a while, I don't know. Oh yeah guys, just to prove to you all that police don't care about filtering and that filtering is legal, let's do this. Oh look, no blue lights, what a surprise. What? What? It's legal, you stupid fucking idiot. JS58JCS. Fucking smeg. Tight J. Yeah! Oh no, it's stuck. There we go. It wants to come with me. Fuck me! Fuck you! people! So the next time someone pulls out on me there, I'm gonna brake. Even if it looks like they're just creeping, I'm still gonna brake. Because that was a little bit too close for comfort. I mean, as much as that was technically his fault, I played my own part in that by not reading the situation perfectly. Come on, bro, get it together. What is this chaos? Very nice. This guy's talking to everybody. What on earth is going on? Alright.
You can't go straight on, there's an accident before the island.
Oh, okay.
So if you're going left, just be aware there's more traffic than normal.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I mean, I've never been left, but let's see what's down here then. Fucking hell. Didn't even bother looking, silly woman. You're on the wrong side of the road. Fucking hell. I think we can come up to the conclusion that people just can't drive in the local area that I live in. And silly fucking Volvo too. Oh, James Bond. Sandwich, you know. I never ever crave a sandwich. I do today though. Okay guys, so I've just left Tesco Express, right? I got myself a Red Bull and some jelly babies, and you'd never guess who I've just rode past. I promise you. You know the caretaker from Harry Potter? That kind of like freaky, ugly guy with the balding hair and him. I've just seen him, and I'm so confident that it's him that I'm going to do a loop and try and find him again so that you guys can see. He was carrying a bouquet of red roses, I think they were roses, red flowers, stood outside where the old petrol station was. Here he is, here he is, here he is. That looks just like him. I don't have a clue if you guys can see that, but he looks just like him.